What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to talk about the recent exchange of events that has just taken place over most of the major cryptocurrencies. XRP has bottomed off. We discovered this literally yesterday morning here, and I made an episode going very much so in-depth about it. Hopefully you guys watched it. If not, we'll cover it a little bit today for those that are new. But basically, we had discovered a much bigger ascending fractal than we had originally expected here. And we also had drawn a beautiful descending fractal, a bull flag, more so just a descending fractal here, and we're actually heading to the upside now, which is very exciting. Now, there was an opportunity last night to buy into this here. Once we confirmed closure outside the major downtrend here, we made that very clear that this would be a buy-in opportunity, an aggressive one nonetheless because it's on the 4-hour chart, but you can see that has so far slowly paid us off as we are in the green. We dipped a little bit lower, and that's okay. We didn't get stopped out, but here we are up about 2.6%, about to retest another major resistance right here, moving average and price ceiling. If we break through that, for those that then missed out on the opportunity here to buy in, we'll have another round or go at getting into it once we confirm closure above that, because I don't even need to explain it. You can see what could potentially happen here, which is exciting. But beyond XRP, we need to look at Solana, which has rebounded slightly, Ethereum doing the same thing, Bitcoin doing the same thing, and the S&P 500 that just keeps blowing my mind and hopefully your mind. We just keep going up and up and up and up and up, and it's nuts, and what goes up must come down, but this is just crazy. Market just opened and we keep going higher, so it's absolutely crazy. Lots to go over, lots to discuss. We are still doing our BidFi Amazon gift card giveaway. Drawing will be Sunday. I might have plans where I might not be able to make a video Sunday. If that happens, then I will bump it to Monday. I'll release the winner Monday, so stay tuned for that, and I'll message you guys. I'll email you, whatever. But yeah, so we're doing an Amazon gift card giveaway as well as free BidFi merchandise. All you got to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below, and that's it. Make sure you're subscribed, and you can get entered completely free. Comment your favorite crypto. XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, whatever it is, comment it down below. And as I mentioned before, BidFi has revamped their new giveaway here. Not only are they giving away $200 in SHIB, but they're also giving away a $200 bonus that awaits you. All you got to do is sign up with the link down in the description, make your first deposit to earn $200, or make a deposit to earn up to $200. And they're also doing a $200 SHIB airdrop with 4 lucky winners. More information on that is in the description below. Click that top link where it says BidFi, and you'll get everything you need to find out there. Make sure to sign up. Also, guys, super quick before we dive into today's episode, I want to give a huge shout out to Go Mining for sponsoring today's video. More information about them will be later on, but just really quickly, they are a digital miner that can earn you passive income by literally doing nothing. They pay out every single day in Bitcoin, and it's super cool, and I highly recommend you check them out. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's episode. I want to give a huge shout out to Go Mining, a continued sponsor on the channel for today's episode. Now, as with all cryptocurrency projects and tokens, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Go Mining is a pioneering platform that transforms the landscape of digital mining. Go Mining offers a new way of earning Bitcoin by avoiding the difficulties associated with purchasing and maintaining mining equipment. They have even introduced the concept of buying NFTs as a means to acquire a share of hash rate power already dedicated to Bitcoin mining, which is what I want to show you today. Simply by purchasing their NFT, you obtain a portion of the power of these real cryptocurrency mining machines. So let me show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is create a Go Mining account. Then you need to purchase a miner of your choosing, and in order to do that, you need to fund your account with Go Mining, the native token. With my MetaMask account loaded using funds I sent over from the BidFi exchange, around $35 worth of BNB, I can then swap it for Go Mining on PancakeSwap. Next, it's time to buy an NFT. Head on over to either the primary or secondary market, where you can either create a miner on the primary section for cheap, 1 terahash, or purchase them. Miners can also be purchased fiat or crypto, and on the secondary market, you can even buy it for Go Mining, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to purchase one of the miners on the secondary market, which means I'm buying from a private seller, and it's literally that simple. Check it out. Here is its historical ROI and what it's anticipated to produce. With cryptocurrency on the rise, this is a great option for passive income, and I highly recommend you check them out in the description of today's episode. All right, guys, it is now time for another Go Mining update. We're going to check on our NFT as we purchased this NFT miner just a couple of weeks ago here. I have number 5043 in the West collection here, and as you guys can see, we're going to go over to rewards, but you can see the terahash computing. I haven't upgraded its power, but you could by clicking this button right here, then clicking energy efficiency, power, whatever you want, and you can see how much you can actually upgrade your miner quite a bit. And you can get it all the way up to like 24 terahash, which is much quicker and a lot more rewards than what I'm currently doing, so don't judge me. But anyway, going over to rewards, you can see this is the most important part. We purchased this on the 29th. It has now been a total of like 3 weeks since we purchased this miner here. And you can see it has paid out consecutively every single day on the dot, which is incredible here. This shows not only the legitimacy of the platform, but the transparency and the fact that this is another way to ultimately get low risk passive income. And Go Mining has been around for years now. I've actually known about them since I started on cryptocurrency, which is back in 2017, 2018 here, or no, 2017. And maybe even 2018 is when I found them, but right around that level. And they've been just, thriving through multiple crypto winners and multiple bear markets, and they're still here to show face, which is really awesome. So guys, make sure to pick up your own NFT miner down in the description below, and let's get back into the technical analysis. So guys, yesterday we put out a video, basically me saying, hurry guys, XRP Ripple, major discovery, do this before it's too late. And you can see we drew an ascending fractal here. And I've been mentioning this for quite some time. You could see if I show you, this was about 4 days ago here, but you can see I've highlighted on numerous attempts here, the ascending fractal, and that we should be moving to the upside here. And then yet again, yesterday's episode was the same thing pretty much happening here. You can see right over here that we are starting to head to the upside yet again. And that was confirmed yesterday's video, and we're doing that same exact thing today, which is very exciting. We'll go more in depth about XRP in a second here. Quick refresh of the market cap reveals we're at 82 on the Fear and Greed Index, so to see us pull up a little bit is totally expected. We're up 6.5%, 2.55 trillion, which is very nice if you ask me. But we're up 5.5 on Bitcoin. Ethereum's 5.5. We have BNB at 6, Solana at 9. XRP at 3.9, like everything is moving up. Doge is 14, SHIB is 7, so everything looks really good if you ask me, and this is exciting as we could be heading to the upside. Now, I want to start with XRP, then we'll look at these other cryptos because I do believe we do have the potential to head higher. Which is quite exciting, at least XRP does. So to scale back just a bit here, looking at the daily charts, you'll notice we had discovered a very long time ago that XRP likes to perform kind of bull flag formations here. And we've actually highlighted 5 confirmed bull flags here. A bull flag is simply a pull up, a descending pattern down, and then if we can break through the pattern in here and we break through the top resistance, it's usually an implied break to the upside here. And using this pattern as reference, notice here, here's the flag pull, here's a flag down, breakout, that's 1. Here's a flag pull, here's the flag down, breakout, that's 2. Flag pull, flag down, breakout, 3. Flag pull, flag down, breakout, 4. Flag pull, flag down, breakout, 5. And you can see we've pretty much highlighted that because of the monumental, monstrous size of this XRP's 5th bull flag formation here, the opportunity to buy in on the daily and the 4-hour was right here. And you can see once we confirm closure above a downtrend that we have not been able to do since the start of it in November of 2023, that means November, December, January, February. It wasn't until the end of February that we had that buy-in opportunity here, and which we took. And you can see it's paid off quite well, if you ask me. And even though we bottomed out here, that's totally cool. With the amount of rally that we had, followed by the amount of correction that we had, the rally implied correction to the downside. And with the dump that we've had here, like a 25% dump to the downside, it's allowed XRP to get to a level that's very healthy and could actually cause the markets to continue upwards here. Because you'll notice, let's see, kind of the last time we were at this level here where we're currently at right here, we were trading at 72 on the relative strength indicator, which is right here. Now we flash forward to where we are now, and instead of being at 72, we're at 48 on the RSI. So that's incredibly well, which means next time we head to 70, we might be over here. Next time we had a 70, we might be over here. And that means there's more room now to head to the upside. Everything was good. Yesterday, we made a slight tweak to the charts, which I really like, and I'm surprised I didn't see it earlier. Granted, I was looking at only the 4-hour charts here, but you can see now we've pretty much confirmed not only the price ceiling and the top resistance as what we can use moving forward here. Multiple retests, not what I wanted to do. Multiple resistances being retested here where price has, for the most part, not been able to break through. And we've also discovered a price floor where the price has also not been able to break through. Now, with the fact that we've had 3 confirmations now on both sides, we kind of have our pattern developed here. And with us falling, we knew pretty much the target here. We said if we come into contact, we have not only an uptrend, we have not only the moving average, we have not only a price floor. 3 things that are very stubborn in regards to holding its position. And with us retesting this, we didn't break through. We're actually reversing up, which is incredible. Now that we've confirmed that, there's a good chance we'll be moving up like this. Gradually, slowly over time, could head into March or April here, but moving up nonetheless. More so for those that want to get in who have already missed your chance. Yesterday here on the 20th, you still have that. It all comes down to here. We have this moving average and a price ceiling. And what we're waiting for is a confirmation of the 4-hour closure above that, which would signal another kind of tardy buy-in opportunity with the anticipations of us moving even higher. Even if we move up to here and reject, you have that stop loss, you have that trailing stop loss. You could do an XRP on bid fight and you'll be able to capitalize off the movement to the upside. I even went as far as drawing it out again for you guys on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. I drew it so that you guys have a reference point. Moving forward into XRP here, that's the main focal point. The buy-in is right here again for those that were tardy. You didn't miss your opportunity. There will be one very soon. Like I plan on buying in yet again here when we confirm closure above that, because the only downside is we could fall if that happens, we get stopped out. But anywho, moving forward from XRP, Solana. We're gonna jump around with these, looking at Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So we kind of discovered that there was a support that Solana had that it's been using quite well. We could go back in the past here. You can kind of see it, but for the most part, what really gave it away to me was Bitcoin had a support. You could clearly see where we were consolidating on the support and where we're coming back to it. Major reversal, major flare. We did fall pretty hard. But again, it's getting tough. I'm waiting for more technical indicators, some more support, some more kind of price action for me to really figure out what in the world is going on here. Like it could very easily be something like this on Bitcoin for right now. Like there could very well be some sort of downtrend, some sort of fractal, something forming here that we're not all that used to here, and it wouldn't be surprising at all. We bounce off bottom support, we head back up, and you can kind of see this new kind of pattern here, and this would also indicate, oh, well, maybe it's time now that Bitcoin dumps. And if that's the case, could it influence XRP? It's possible we could reject off this and dump. It's very possible. So that's why you got to keep your eyes peeled on all the cryptocurrencies, because they all have implications, and they all react and are intertwined with each other. So if one pulls, it could pull the rest down with it. And that's what you guys have to pay attention to. Ethereum, pulling back down. Here we go with the correction to the upside. There might be another reason, again, for us to say, okay, maybe we're going to pull to the downside here. Again, we don't have enough on here to really confirm anything just yet, but you can see there's these new fractals forming here, and everything is now signifying, okay, well, if we don't close above here, then there's a good chance we're going to reject and continue this descending, broadening funnel. That's something you guys have to consider. And I'm going to leave it for Ethereum and Bitcoin here. You could probably find the same thing on Solana. It's a bit early for Solana, though. There's only like 1 point of support here, or 1 resistance, so I don't have enough. I was thinking maybe like something like this. Not what I wanted to do. Sorry, something like this. It's possible, for sure. Yeah, it's a possibility. I don't know, but more so, I just think we're destined to head lower here. I don't think it's going to last, and I think we're going to pull back down lower. I just think this was just a small little hiccup because we've been on such a bender to the downside here that it was only a matter of time before we head to the upside. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Lastly, the S&P, which just keeps heading higher and higher and higher. We're due to tip. Like, there's no point buying in right now. No point. Just wait. I mean, I know that's crazy and it could take a long time, but even short term, like everything is so freakishly overextended here, that we're due for some sort of pullback. I'm also noticing a newer kind of thing on the 4-hour. I don't really care about the 4-hour here, but some sort of implication, I think, is taking place. I really do think we're destined to see some sort of little dip. It always happens. It doesn't take that long. I mean, if we go back historically, besides the weird thing that we had here, but we even then, we you know, the run started in November of 2020. We retested it in March of 2021, and then again in October of 05. But you know, it's up to you, because you could see we are still in an uptrend here, and we are going to continue. So there might be pullbacks, but in a year or two from now, you'd be like, oh, I'm so glad I bought in, you know? So it doesn't really matter. But short term, if you just want to play, then, you know, I'd just be a little bit more patient, because I do think this trend to the upside is going to break at some point or another, but we'll see. Anywho, that's it for today's video. Once again, huge shout out to Go Mining for sponsoring today's episode. And with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.